Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have this spicy, creamy chicken pasta recipe for you guys. It's about 30 minutes to get this done. It's so delicious. But before I show you guys how it's done, please take a quick second to subscribe if you're new here. Also give it a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and let's get started. Okay guys, take a quick look of all the ingredients because I will leave them down below for you guys. I won't name them out loud, but they will be in the description box because a lot of you guys always ask where are the ingredients, and they always in the description box below. So to begin, I am going to start by boiling my pasta. I am going to add about 2 to 4 cups of water to a saucepan. Then we're going to season it with a little bit of chicken bouillon as well as some salt. Then we are going to cover it, allow it to come to a boil. Once that started to boil, you are going to pour in your pasta. I love using this pasta. I believe the name is papardelle. It's just the look of it. It's just giving me restaurant quality vibes. That's why I like to use it. So I'm going to let that boil for about 6 to 7 minutes. Once it's al dente, just remove it from the heat. Pour out the hot water. Do not pour cold water to it because that doesn't help the pasta at all, okay? Because once you're trying to coat the pasta with the sauce, it's just not going to cling as much on the pasta. So try your best not to rinse the pasta. So I'm going to season my chicken breast. Okay, I went ahead and sliced it right in the middle just to help it cook faster. So once I'm done, I am going to use like a saran wrap, cover it, and just flatten it a bit just to help it cook faster, like I said. Now, once I'm done, I am going to drizzle some olive oil on there just so the seasoning can stick when we're cooking this. So once I'm done adding the oil, I like to give it a nice little rub, a nice little massage, and then you are going to mix your seasoning. Now, the seasoning I'm using today is onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, as well as some lemon pepper with some dry parsley. The best combo for this chicken recipe, okay? So you're going to rub that in. As you can see, I'm rubbing that seasoning in, and also there will be a little bit of seasoning left, which I will add to my sauce later on, so just keep on watching to see. So I'm going to season this just like so, and then you see how good it looks? Yes, period. So now I am going to cook my chicken breast. Chicken breast can be very dry if you don't know how to cook it. So I am going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil to my cast iron. Cook this for about 3 minutes per side on medium high heat. So in about 6 to 7 minutes in total, just so you don't overcook the chicken breast to a point where it's dry. Okay, look how beautiful. Yes. So now to the same cast iron, I added a little bit more oil, about a tablespoon. Then we're going to add our I can't think of a name, onion. You're going to add the onion. You're going to cook the onion until they're nice and translucent. If you have some garlic, just throw some in there as well. And then I am going to throw in the chipotle in adobo sauce. This right here is absolutely very extremely spicy, so be mindful of that. It's extremely spicy. I am going to fry it a little bit just to release the spiciness because that's what we want. Okay, once you are done, you're going to pour in your heavy cream. As you add in your heavy cream, give it a little stir just like that, And then you are going to add your cream cheese to make this nice and creamy. Now this is a creamy recipe, not so cheesy, so I'm not going to add that much cheese, just a little bit of cheese just for the sake of the video. But cheese is not really an option for this. You can add cheese if you want because we're looking for creaminess, okay? So I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Oh, it's so cheesy. And give that a nice stir. Once melted, just add in your pasta, you guys. This recipe is so quick, so easy, yet the flavor seems like you take hours and hours and hours of making this, okay? That's how good it is. Now, I am going to dice my chicken. However, I'm saving one just to garnish at the end. So I'm going to dice the first one and just add it in the dish just to give it that flavor. You know, the chicken is absolutely flavorful. So we're going to mix it with the pasta. Also, I added the remaining of the seasoning that I told you guys about. But I don't know where that clip went. I just don't see it. But I added in there, and you guys, this is the dish. This is how quick and easy it is to make yourself some pasta at home, and it tastes 10 times better than any type of restaurant, okay? Period. I hope you guys like this commentary of this video because I'll be trying, okay? But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I truly thank you guys for watching, and also give this a try. Let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.